Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have seen the router on a stick configuration. Here, the switches I have used all these switches are layer 2 switches, which has no routing capabilities. So I have to use this router in order to establish the connection between two different VLANs. So this router has a routing capability. This switches does not have any routing capabilities, layer 2 switches. So I have to use this router. Now we have something called as layer 3 switch, which has a routing capability. So now what I want to do is I want to remove this router entirely and replace this layer 2 switch here with layer 3 switch or multi-layer switch. Multi-layer switch is nothing but which can be operated in both layer 2 and layer 3. It has layer 2 capabilities and layer 3 switch capabilities also. That is routing capability. So here I want to replace this with layer 3 or multi-layer switch. Then I don't need this router. This layer 3 switch can provide me with routing capabilities, and then the traffic can flow from one VLAN to another VLAN through this switch only, like this, from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20. Okay, so now I want to implement that. That is, it will be as such. Here you can see I am taking, this is my one PC, this is another PC, this is my third PC, this is my fourth PC. Okay, now I am using this layer 3 switch to which can provide using this layer 3 switch which can provide me with routing capabilities. Now from layer 2 switch to traffic flows from PC1 to layer 2 switch to this layer 3 switch, then it can go to my VLAN 20 PC. So this is blue color is VLAN 20, green color is VLAN 10 PC. Okay, so now my layer 3 switch can provide me with routing capabilities. Okay, so let us implement this in our Cisco packet tracer. Let us go to our Cisco packet tracer. So this is my Cisco packet tracer. Okay, I'm going to take two layer 2 switches and one layer 3 switch, which is multi-layer switch. You can see here. I'm going to take PCs. Let me take two PCs, one for VLAN 10 and another for VLAN 20. Connect this. Connected to layer 3 switch. Now view IP addresses. This is 192.168.1.10, 192.168.1.1 as gateway. Okay, next this PC. I'm going to take it as 192.168.1.20, 192.168.1.1 as my gateway. And 92.168.2.10, 92.168.2.1 as gateway. On 92.168.2.20, 92.168.2.1 as gateway. Okay, now PC configurations has been done. So this is my 1.10. This is 1.20. This is 2.10. This is 2.20. So we represent this with the colors. This is VLAN 10. Select another color. This is VLAN 20. This is just for a representation. VLAN 10, 192.168.1.0 network. VLAN 20, 192.168.2.0 network. Okay. Now I am going to configure these switches. Go to switch, go to CLI, enable, configure, create VLANs, name them, go to interfaces. So first interface is connected to VLAN 10, so it has to be in switch mode, switch port mode, access to VLAN 10. Second interface, switch mode, access, switch port, access to VLAN 20. Next comes our third interface, which is connected to my multi-layer switch. It has to carry both VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 traffic. So I'm going to configure it as a trunk mode. Okay, exit, show VLAN brief. So here I have two VLAN and two ports are assigned to it. Okay, save the configuration. Go to second PC. Second switch. Okay, enable configuration, create VLANs, VLAN 10, name them VLAN 20, name interfaces, switch mode to access, switch port access to VLAN 10. Go to next interface, switch port mode access to access, switch port access to VLAN 20. Go to third interface, which is connected to our multi-layer switch, that is L3 switch. Switch port mode in trunk, as it is carrying multiple VLAN traffic. Exit, show VLAN brief. Okay, two VLANs created, two ports are assigned. Now go to our multi-layer switch. So this is my multi-layer switch. Now enable configuration. Okay, now I am in my configuration. In order to give IP addresses to our interfaces in multi-layer switch, we need a command which is called as IP routing. It enables to give IP addresses to our interfaces and provide routing cap. So IP routing, I am entering that command. After that, create VLANs, VLAN 10, name sales, VLAN 20, sorry, VLAN 20, name marketing, exit, show VLAN brief. So two VLANs have been created. Go to configuration, go to interface 0/1. You have to make this as trunk mode as it's carrying multiple VLAN traffic. Mode trunk. Here you can see the command has been rejected. Switch port mode trunk command has been rejected because the trunk encapsulation is an auto mode. You have to change this trunk encapsulation using a command called switch port trunk encapsulation to .1q. Now, when you change this, then only it will accept in trunk mode. So now, if you switch port mode trunk accepted, then again go to your int fa0/2. Okay, now again switch port trunk encapsulation .1q switch port mode trunk. Done. Okay, now assign IP addresses to VLANs. So interface VLAN 10 we have created. So VLAN 10 interface, I'm going to assign IP address 192.168.1.1. It is in 1.0 network. 1.1 is my gateway. 255.255.255.0 my subnet. No shutdown. Exit. Go to VLAN 20. Interface VLAN 20. Enter IP address 192.168.2.1. 255.255.255.0 as my subnet. No shutdown. So exit. Now if you show IP int brief, that is IP interface brief, you can see my VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 have been assigned with IP addresses 1.1 and 2.1. Okay, save this configuration. Okay, now let us see our communication has been established or not. So this is my VLAN 10 and to VLAN 10 successful. VLAN 20 to VLAN 20 PC successful. Now let us see inter VLAN communication. VLAN 10 to VLAN 20 PC. First time failed. Let us try again. VLAN 10 to VLAN 20 successful. You can see here. Now again VLAN 10 to VLAN 20. First time failed. VLAN 10 to VLAN 20 successful. You can see here. Successful. Okay. So our inter VLAN routing is successful with our multi-layer 3 switch. Okay, this is how we use our multi-layer switch in this inter VLAN routing. Okay, then we will see in next video. Okay, thank you. Bye. That's all for today. Bye.